Your favorite sci-fi movies? Think again. The magic is often made from the most unexpected things. You know this sound. The terrifying scream of a TIE fighter from Star Wars. It wasn't a synth. It was the blended roar of a baby elephant and a car on a wet road. What about the iconic green code from The Matrix? Looks like complex computer language, right? It's actually just characters from the creator's wife's sushi recipe book scanned and digitized. And the chilling clicking sound of the Predator? That's the voice of Optimus Prime himself, Peter Cullen, imitating the sound of an overturned horseshoe crab he saw on the beach. From elephants to sushi, the greatest movie moments come from the strangest places.